Just thought it had been a while since we gave a beehive update. There hasn't been a lot to report on, to be honest. We didn't get a harvest of honey for ourselves this year. For those who've been following us, you'll know we started the season off on a bit of a back foot. We weren't really well prepared last year at the beginning of winter, and so they started off the season with absolutely nothing in their hives, and I think we did pretty well. We've brought them back, and so we basically just left them with what honey they did make. We just left it for them. So what we've done now is we're into autumn. Of course we're thinking ahead to this coming winter. We have had a massive drought. All the flowers died off. There's been absolutely nothing. So we started feeding them sugar water a bit earlier than what we'd intended on, but we thought no, we don't want to make the mistakes we did last year. Pretty soon we're going to look at doing another varroa test, and we'll treat them regardless. Last season we put Beehive strips, or last time we treated them we put Beehive strips in. So this time, because we've heard it's best to alternate the treatments, probably in the next week or so we might put some Beehive strips in, because yeah, we've just heard they can kind of get immune to it if you do the same treatment over and over. So that's what we'll do. I'm not seeing any signs, you know, by eye of varroa mite. So we're just going to do a general check today. It's been a while since we actually checked the brood down the bottom. As I say, we've been topping them up with sugar water. They're going nuts today because it's a beautiful warm day. We've had a bit more rain. There's a few more flowers around, which is great. So we're just trying to keep a tabs on their supply. I'm not sure yet if this winter we'll look at taking the top layer, the top super, off that hive and just leaving them with two. I'm not sure yet, because they filled up the second one quite nicely, put a third one on top, and they just weren't filling that up. So somebody recommended to us we put some of the honey filled ones from the bottom up the top and mix them up a bit. So we've done that, so we'll just see how they're doing. You know, it is autumn, they tend to go a bit nuts, it is robbing season. We have closed down all their entrance ways and everything. We've closed off the top entrances.
Look at that, haven't they been busy?
They have. Goodness me, guys. Look at all the propolis.
Why did we not keep the propolis mats on? Why?
Well, apparently winter is the prime time, somebody told me. Oh, we got some honey up there. We got lots of nectar.
About time these plastic fantastics started doing something.
Oh yeah, cool. Cool. Finally have some honey up the top of here. Oh, a little bit of capping.
That side looks better.
Lots of nectar. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that.
Guess what?
What?
Mum just stung me through my suit.
That's not polite.
I know.
There's dripping with stuff.
Oh, shall we start at the beginning and see where we end?
Mm-hmm. Spot a zucchini.
Oh, this one here, they're doing something.
Oh yeah, they're capping it. I mean, there are plenty of nectar in there.
Yeah.
So there's a bee on the camera.
Oh, look. They're
Making some honey.
honey in there. Good for them.
We've got lots more brood.
Oh yeah, a lot more brood.
Oh, it's a brood again. Oh yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
It's heavy. And that one there is looking pretty damn full. It's just not capped yet. Ooh. Oh yeah. Well, that one there completely capped as well.
Awesome. Good job, girls. We like it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
That's almost completely capped. Oh, not on that side.
Oh, it's
On this
full
side,
to the
look at
brim with stuff.
Completely
Oh, yeah.
capped.
Cool.
Certainly taking to the Plastic Fantastics a bit better since
Since we painted them with wigs.
oh yeah. Still guys,
Got
come
plenty
on.
of, not so much capped, but they got plenty of,
Mm.
what's the word?
Well,
What's the word I'm looking for? Nectar. Yeah, nectar in there.
this one. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's see if they're drawing it out. Oh yeah, that's heavy. I think swapping the positions might have actually done them a world of good, because look at that. That was empty last time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're building out on it. There's lots of nectar in there.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe our
Like it's,
cutting most evil plan did not work then.
yeah.
Like,
Just leave
really,
leave the empty one in the middle.
yeah. Well, certainly drawing it out. Ah, that's why it was hard to come up. Look at that, you idiots. All that time and effort on.
That's looking a bit better.
Oh yeah, that's better.
That's more something capped over,
Pine.
honey. Oh yeah. What we want to see.
Oh, that's looking better, guys.
Yeah. I can stick that one back at the outer edge. Yeah. The empty one's in the middle.
Oh yeah. Look at that one.
I want to see.
Come on. Try and pull the frame with it. They've done it so heavy. Look at this.
Everything's glued to everything. I am building, but
Certainly building.
oh, lots of
They've even got some brood on here.
got some brood. Good
Okay,
for
you
them.
can't see Queenie on there anywhere.
There she is. Here's the queenie.
Good spotting, love. Alright, let's put this back very carefully.
Yes, there she is. We can shake them off. Let's have a wee check of the brood. Make sure.
It's pretty cool. Oh, still a larvae on that.
Oh, God. Some of larvae on that bit that we pretty much have to take off.
Yeah.
Yeah, Muppets.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh, look. From nothing in the corner there. Full on brood.
Oh yeah, they're certainly cranking a bit better than the other one, aren't they? Oh, but then again,
Yeah. I was say there's a lot of gaps in there, but they're all filled with pollen. The ones that are.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a few of them just being born.
Is there? Hello, newbie. Newbie.
Literally, newbie.
And there's another one. Hello, newbie. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I do like that. I thought I could play with these guys for hours.
Some bees there. They have found a fallen comrade. A fallen soldier. Tending to it.
Are they killing it, are they?
No, they could just be undertaker bees or something, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
That's one that was already dead.
Possibly.
Because they do, some bees do have an undertaker duty, and they do carry away their dead and basically drop them in a location that's... See what it's doing. It's like it's giving it a cuddle.